This video will demonstrate how to create a cloud application integration process to receive an input text and print the same text as output. Log on to Informatica Cloud and click Application Integration. Click a new project, Tutorials. Inside the project, create a folder and name it as Receive Input. Inside the Receive Input folder, click New to create a new asset. Select Processes and click Create to create a new process. The Process Designer opens with start and end steps already available on the Design palette. Click the Start step to configure the process properties. Select the General tab to name the process as Receive Input. Select a location where this process be created. In this demonstration, the process will be created inside Receive Input folder, that is under Tutorials project. The description field will explain the objective of the process. Process accepts an HTTP request with an input message and then returns the input message as the payload. Click Start tab. Binding defines how this process be invoked. Set this to HTTP SOAP. This indicates that the process will be invoked as an API. To make this process accessible by any user without authentication and has privileges to execute processes, select Allow Anonymous Access. Select Cloud Server from the Run On list to indicate where this process will be executed. Select the Input Fields tab and create an input field with the name as input and type as text. This will be the input to the process. Select the Output Fields tab and create an output field with the name as message and type as text. This will be the output of the process. Drag and drop an assignment step from the palette onto the canvas in between start and end. Select the assignment step. Click the General tab and enter Configure Output in the Name field. Click the Assignment tab and add field Output with value field as input. Save and publish the Hello World process. Now that we have seen the design of the process, let's invoke it to see in runtime. Click Actions in the Receive Input Properties window. Copy the service URL. Open the browser window and paste the copied URL in the address bar to enter Greetings, have a nice day as input. The received input text is printed here. Now open the Application Integration console to see if the Receive Input process was invoked successfully.